My name is Emir, Le Prince, French crepes food truck owner. I like crepes. When I came here in 2012, I didn't find anybody making crepes, so I thought about making something different here. The crepes are delicious, first thing. Second thing, I think they are a little healthier than other stuff. You can find me Wednesdays at Greenville Farmers Market, Menasha Thursdays, Tandem Wine and Beer Fridays, and Farmers Market Kakona Saturdays. I make savory and sweet crepes. The savory I make like the classics you find in France with egg, cheese, mushrooms, olives and meat. Or sweet, I make it with Nutella, with fresh fruits, almond nuts, or with the pie filling. And you can customize your crepe if you want. I think food truck is fun because I traveled a lot with music, and I'm kind of person I don't like to stay in the same place. I want to meet new persons, I want to see new places, and actually it's less expensive than making a restaurant, so maybe one day.